This is the North American Desert Biome presentation by Ethan Post and Alyx. We're going to start this off with the common plant. The common plant is the saguaro cactus. The saguaro cactus grows about to be 40 feet tall and it is green. It has 1-inch spines that run down the side of the cactus. And the cactus gets pretty tall before branching off with branches. Yeah. These are the 5 producers. We have the barrel cactus, the jumping cholla, the ironwood, the velvet mesquite, and the brittle brush. This is the barrel cactus. The barrel cactus is a plant that you can find very often. It has a cylinder-shaped body, and it usually grows to the south to avoid sunburn. But sometimes they fall over because of growing to the south, which is why they use water as their weight. And when it rains in the desert, the barrel cactus expands to consume more water, so it does not die. So yeah. This is the ironwood, and the ironwood is a tree that is found in the desert. The temperature beneath the ironwood can be 7 degrees cooler than the outside. That is why a lot of plants and animals live under it, so it's an important tree to this biome. This is the brittle brush, as you can see. The brittle brush is a small deciduous shrub that grows as a low roundish mound that is 2 to 5 feet high. It has 1 to 4 inch long leaves, and it can be found in southern California, Death Valley, and the Mojave Desert, and it grows in dry desert slopes and washes. This is the velvet mesquite, another common tree in the desert. The velvet mesquite is a young tree. It is reddish-brown bark and smooth bark. But as it gets older, it gets brown and rough bark. This tree grows at elevation 4,000 to 5,000 feet in desert washes and grasslands.
The 5 consumers are falcons, wolves, coyotes, hawks, and bobcats. The falcon can fly 200 miles per hour, and it has a lot of speed, and it uses its sharp beaks to break down their food. The wolves are packs led by alpha females and males, and they're very intelligent. I guess they can open up a doorknob, and they are a social unit. The coyotes are nocturnal, but they can be seen in the day. They weigh about 45 pounds, and they're 30 to 40 inches long, and they're very vocal, and they communicate really well. The hawks have good eyesight, and they have really long wings to slowly soar through the sky looking for prey, and they have sharp claws. Bobcats have several dens, one main den and several auxiliary dens. They can be pets, and some people own them. 2 scavengers are the turkey vultures and the cockroach. The turkey vulture only eats carrion or dead prey, and they have really good eyesight to look for the animals that are dead, and they won't hunt or kill animals. The cockroach are adapted to live in almost any environment. They've been on Earth longer than any other winged insect. They can live 1 week without their head, and they feed at night.
This is the decomposer, and it is a millipede. The millipede does not exactly have 100 legs, and it is poisonous. And it is most active at night, and it lives in kind of dark places and like over dead bark or something like that.
The common animal in the North American desert is a rabbit. It can see 360 degrees around them, and they are wild animals, but also can be pets. They can tell when predators are coming from the vibrations on the floor that they make on the ground. They eat lots of vegetables like lettuce and carrots, and they act very silent, but they're very sneaky.
This is our summarized news article. And so yeah, this is the abiotic factors or abiotic factors. The average precipitation is 6 to 12 inches of rain and 12 to 24 inches of snow. The average temperature is 49 to 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Other stuff is sand, sunlight, water, rain, snow, and temperature. This is the endangered animal, the desert tortoise. The desert tortoise is able to survive a ground temperature of 140 degrees. The desert tortoise has threats of off-road vehicles because people are careless and run them over and kill them and they die. Other threats are plants that they eat and they makes them not hungry and they starve to death. This is our biome map. And this is our food web, as you can see. And this is the end. So thanks for watching. Smiley face.